Maintaining peak performance. Mercedes-Benz change in Dallas. Premium synthetic oil selection. We use premium synthetic oils specifically designed for Mercedes-Benz vehicles. Synthetic oils offer superior protection against engine wear, even in extreme conditions. Certified Mercedes technicians. Our service center is staffed by certified Mercedes-Benz technicians with extensive knowledge and training. Your Mercedes-Benz will receive service that meets or exceeds manufacturer standards. Genuine Mercedes-Benz oil filters. We use genuine Mercedes-Benz oil filters to ensure effective filtration and protection against contaminants. Genuine filters maintain engine health and longevity, preventing potential issues. Adherence to manufacturer guidelines. Our oil change procedures adhere strictly to Mercedes-Benz manufacturer recommendations. Following these guidelines is essential for preserving your vehicle's engine performance. Comprehensive vehicle inspection. During an oil change, we conduct a comprehensive vehicle inspection. This inspection helps us identify potential problems early, saving you time and money. Efficient service. Our oil change service is efficient and minimizes vehicle downtime. Enjoy a comfortable waiting area or inquire about our courtesy transportation options. Service indicator reset. We reset the Mercedes-Benz service indicator to ensure accurate maintenance tracking. This step helps maintain your vehicle's warranty. Maintenance records and recommendations. We maintain comprehensive service records for your Mercedes-Benz. Receive personalized maintenance recommendations to keep your vehicle performing at its peak.